So now this will be our natural gas analysis. If you're not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. We will be looking at our NASDAQ 100. I want you to actually stick to the end so you'll be able to understand my analysis properly and why we will be taking this trade. Now let's see our weekly time frame. So NASDAQ 100, if you have to zoom it out, I think it was around April or March. You all can see it on this March 2020, by the way. We actually started having this huge movement, uptrend move up on our NASDAQ 100. We saw this rally movement upward on weekly time frame. We had an impulse move, a correction, a huge impulse move upward, a correction was made, another huge impulse move. So basically, it was actually an uptrend move. So now price actually got to this level, which I highlighted the top here. So I highlighted it as my resistance because price came to this level. We saw this huge wick on our weekly time frame. It drops. And now I highlighted this level because our price actually pushes up here and we had a correction. We had a correction here and we actually had another impulse move. So this correction here, I highlighted it as a key level here one. So the price pushes up to this level and it's dropped to this level, which I highlighted it. So it pushes up again. It came to this our highs again, which is our resistance level. Sit again. It is now dropping again. Where are we expecting it to drop? We are expecting it to drop to our next lows, and this next lows is where I've highlighted. There is a huge wick here. Price rejected here, another huge wick here, price rejected here, and we see our price coming to that area again. I think we have about 5% more drop. We have about 5.17% more drop on our weekly time frame. So basically, weekly time frame, we want to still see a drop on our natural gas. Then possibly we might continue to go bearish or an uptrend move. But first of all, let's get a drop to take out this liquidity IM lows we just talked about. Now to actually predict where our price will be moving the next day, we would actually go to our daily time frame. So this I'll consider as a bearish move. A correction was made here. Another impulse move downwards. It broke below these previous lows. We had a correction. Now another impulse movement. We see this huge impulse move. So what are we expecting again? A little bit of a correction. After the correction again, what are we expecting next? A bearish move again. So the next day will our price actually go bullish? Well, possibility, yes. There's every possibility we might even just open and close red the next day, by the way. So first of all, we still want our price to come to these lows, to take out these lows, which is about, at least it should break below 7.639. We are currently at 7.942. We would want to very much likely break below 7.639. So then we might still roll up. So basically, we've not actually gotten to where we want our price to actually get to. So if we see a pullback at this level, which continues to rally up there, fine, by the way, no problem. But we would still want this our NASDAQ 100 natural gas to actually drop to take out this liquidity loss. I think let me call it the number, which is about 7.540. So basically, we still want the price to drop to 7.540. Then a bullish move can be made on our natural gas. So basically, daily time frame on our natural gas, we are still aiming to go bearish. So to actually enter this trade, we want to go to our 4-hour time frame, by the way, and you all can see it here. 4-hour time frame is still bearish, by the way. So basically, we are still on a bearish move. I don't think a pullback is going to be coming back anytime soon. We once expected on daily time frame. See it here, impulse move here, a correction, hit our 10-period moving average. So this good impulse movement. We had a correction, hit our 10-period moving average. There was an impulse move. If you to zoom it properly, you see that this week here actually broke below these previous lows. Then a little bit of a correction here, I possibly see, and I'm expecting another impulse movement again. So basically, if you are to trade it on this NASDAQ natural gas 4-hour time frame, we are actually to go bearish. Let's look for a short there. So there's possibility the next day, once our market opens, will very much open and close red, bearish on our natural gas.